Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue working with French numbers. We're going to be doing a different activity today. This is a little different than what we did in Spanish. In Spanish, you guys spent today actually counting things out loud. We're going to do a little different activity today. A lot of times when you guys study a language, if you choose to study a language, it overlaps into other content areas. For example, when you spent time researching in the culture maps, the one over Mexican culture and the one over French culture, a lot of times that overlapped into music. You could also say that it overlapped into art. You guys have, for example, done your Hispanic Artist Photo Challenge. You studied some, or got to know a little bit about a famous Hispanic artist. It kind of overlapped into the art content area. Today we're going to overlap very briefly into math. Now we're going to be doing some basic addition and subtraction. However, the numbers that you will use will not go higher than 31 because that's the highest we would go on your vocabulary list. This document, it's called French Numbers Practice, is available in Canvas. You will need this document for today's assignment. There is a link to it underneath this video. You can also find it underneath the e-learning French module. All right, a couple things I want to point out on this document. I want you to see off to the right-hand side here that means plus. So you're going to use to add. You will see it in the problems. When you see it means plus, to add. Fin means equals, okay? You're going to see your word problems here written out in French. Anytime you see it's plus. Fin means equals. You will see these two in this first section. So this first section, it says, add the following problems and spell out the answers in French. You see 24 et 7 fin. So let's break this down. 24. If you use your vocab list, 24, if I can draw here, is 24. There we go. If you remember off over to the side over here, is plus. Sept is 7. Fin means equals. Okay? So 24 plus 7 equals. If this helps you while you do these math problems, write out the numbers up above, just like I did. Okay, so 24 plus 7. Your answer is going to be 31. So for your assignment, you are going to write out 31 in French on the line. Okay, so you are going to write out 31 in French on the line. So I would write out, and bear with me because I'm not great at this. Supposed to be an E. If I can get my pen to work. Okay. So 31 is going to be my answer for number 1 because 24 plus 7 equals 31. Okay, the next section, the only difference you're going to see here, you are now subtracting. So what you need to see off to the right-hand side is that moins means to subtract. You still know that fin is equals. Okay, so 30 moins 13 fin. Okay, so 30 is 30. So I'm going to write a 30 up above. Moins is minus. 13 is 13. So I am going to write 13 up above. And fin is equals. Okay, so I am going to do the math problem of 30 minus 13, and then I need to write the answer out in French. So 30 minus 13 is 17. So I need to write my answer on the line in French, which is 17. Okay, so again, you are writing out your answers in French on the line. Spell them out in French just like I have done. Now the bottom section down here, part 3, is 2-part. You have 6, et, 4, moi, toi, font. Okay, so 6 is 6, et is plus, 4 is 4, moi is minus, toi is 3, font is equals. So 6 plus 4 is 10, minus 3 is 7, so my answer would be 7. And that's what I'm going to write out on the line. Okay? Alright. Hopefully that's pretty straightforward. I want you guys to work through these math problems. Write out your answers in French. Section 1, add. Section 2, subtract. Section 3, multi-step problem. Okay? Write out your answers in French. You guys may use your vocabulary list. Once you have finished with this assignment, you are going to screenshot it, and then please upload your screenshot into Canvas. Again, the assignment is titled French Numbers Practice. I hope you guys all have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions.